Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the third part of this Celtic knot font program from this website right here. And if you didn't watch the first couple, the one font is like this, where you can create stuff like this, and many more shapes. And then there's also a font that's actually filled in. Now, if on your screen, if you see these lines, they really aren't there. I don't know what's going on, and I'm fixing to go out to the shop in a little bit and engrave. So there's a font like this, a font like this, and then there's a 3D font that I'm real interested in engraving and seeing what it's going to look like. And I will engrave some. But the possibilities with this font are endless. I mean, how neat would a cross be that looked like that? And other ways you could do it, or a picture frame, engraving around a picture frame. And then there's another font that is just a bunch of triangles. First of all, it's got a triangle, and nowhere in Corel is there a triangle. You could very easily draw a triangle, but every keystroke is a different drawing, and I can really see the possibilities of using these, in the corner of a picture, a corner of an engraving, and then you could I actually took one of the triangles and rotated it, or doubled it and rotated it around to make a weird looking six-sided star. But all the fonts come with keyboard strokes, photographs, or JPEG of what they'll do. And if you didn't watch the first one, this blocked out lettering in darker lines, these 9 keys are what I used to do to produce that right there, or that one right there. It's the same keystroke. It's 2 different fonts, but like that's Celtic knot. Then there's that one, the triangle one. I mean, I think I own 5 now, or 4, 5, 2 triangles and a regular one. But it's pretty easy. I mean, all you do is just start typing, and if you can read the keyboard stroke and then hit enter and then 8, and you can make it as big as you want. I just hit 9 keys and created that 3D looking knot. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and maybe stay tuned. I'm going to make maybe one more video of actually photographs of some of these things engraved, just so you'll know what they look like. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.